What's up guys? Welcome back to another video with your local flow prodigy. If you are new to the channel, my name is Brendan Perez, and in this video we're going to be going over how to carve harder on the wave. Let's get into it. Now before we go any further in this video, there is one small but very important thing that we do need to go over. How to fall. I know how stupid that sounds. Yes, you do need to learn how to fall to help lower the intensity of your wipeout. Even some of today's pro riders still fall to this day. Now this is only one of a few ways to do this, but it will help lower the chances of any type of serious injury in the future. Now only you are going to know in your gut when you're about to fall, whether that's the board starting to wobble, whether that's you starting to lose your balance of control, but it's very important that you do time this correctly. You first want to start out by bringing both arms together and doing your best to turn completely backwards so that you land on the wave on your back. While you land on your back, try to keep your chin tucked in so that your head does not slam against the water, and let the wave carry you up. Now back to the topic of the video. Now carving on your flow board all depends on your weight distribution, meaning how much weight are you putting on either rail of the board. Now, when learning how to carve on the wave, you do want to make sure that you are starting off and making sure that you are comfortable making the small and subtle turns across the wave, left and right. Once you have your subtle turns down, you want to start to put more and more weight on each edge. For example, putting more weight on your heel edge as an example, or even starting to put more weight on your toe edge as well. You do want to make sure that you're putting the majority of your weight on your back leg, 60-40. Meaning that you will have 60% of your weight on that back leg. You are going to use that weight as an anchor to either help slow yourself down when going across the wave, or even to help yourself switch directions. Notice that as I'm riding right now, that right before I switch directions, my upper half of my body will turn slightly first and then my lower half will follow. Now here are two subtle tips that they may not seem like that much, but they will take you a long way. First things first, any direction that you decide to turn and face, you want to make sure that you are looking where you are turning. If you are about to turn to the left, you must already be looking to the left. If you're about to turn to the right, already look to the right. Tip number 2, again, as subtle as this sounds, you do want to make sure that you keep your knees at least slightly bent the entire time. If you want to bend your knees a little bit more, almost like you're doing a half squat, if that's how you personally feel comfortable, then by all means, ride however you see fit.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, show some love and hit that red subscribe button. And click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you back on the next one.